You see right here, this is how make money using Canva Pro. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Canva Pro with your phone. I have made over 250k naira in Nigeria from this by partnering with CPA Marketing, Pinterest and Amazon. And of course, you can do the exact same thing and get the exact same results, no cap. So kindly hit the subscribe like button right there, because JB Make Money is going to show you how to make money online for free. But that's by the way. Right now we are going to step into our Canva Pro, and if you don't have a Canva Pro, you simply go to your Google search bar, type in canva.com, or you simply download on Play Store or App Store. Boom. So right here, let's say you want to run a food ad for a company or personal use. You see Canva have a various type of templates, so we're going to click this one right here. It's going to bring us to the next interface. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to run a food ad. You click on element, type in food. You see we have multiple templates. Slowly pick up the one that best match your curiosity. You paste it right here into the timeline. You create a new scene, you paste it right here. You keep doing it the exact same way, and once that's done, and if you want to add a text into your advert, you go to the text section, you add whatever you want to add into your advert that's going to display in front of your ads. So once that's done, you simply hit on share. That's how we're going to post this on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook or your Instagram page. So let's look forward on how we're going to create a design for a t-shirt and post this on Amazon or Pinterest. You come over to the home page on Canva, you click on t-shirt. It will bring you to this interface that looks like this. You see Canva has a brand new kit which you can create in your design for your business brand. So you slowly pick up the one that best match your curiosity. Once that's done, I'm going to be adding a text, JB Make Money. And if you don't like how the background is looking, you simply come over right here, you pick a color that best match your design. And if you don't have an Amazon or Pinterest account, you come over to Google, type in Amazon print on demand, and you get to sign up, and Amazon is going to ask you some few questions about you, and that's how you're going to get an account. So this last step I'll show you on how to make money passively by creating mobile videos for multiple of phone users using Canva Pro to do this for free and get paid. And one more thing I ask, hit the subscribe button and like, comment down below Canva Pro. So let's dive into this step. You click on mobile, it will bring you to this. So what you're going to be doing, you kindly pick up a template, or you get to upload an image or video of yours or a client. Now I'm going to make use of the template provided. So what I'm going to be doing is to change the whole text right here, putting my own text. You can put whatever you want to put. Right now I'm going to promote my YouTube channel with my phone. So once that's done, you kindly hit on share and post this on your TikTok, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, or you download it for your personal use. So with that said, make sure you subscribe to this channel. We are in a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers before the end of 2024. See you in my next video. Stay safe.